Yo, YouTube, check it out. Air horns I installed in my '04 Tacoma using 3/8 tubing that you can buy to extend your compressor access anywhere in your shop. So I got these Viking train horns along with these 4-trumpet air horns that you could buy on eBay for like $100, all connected with that 3/8 tubing, quick connect. This is the kit that you can buy with all the connectors, all quick connect, and the tubing. This is the compressor setup. Solenoid tube going out. Compressor, 30 amps, so it eats a lot. And it's a 200 PSI system. So make sure the wire you have running that compressor pump is very heavy in gauge, so otherwise you will burn it out. Padded the carpet behind it just in case it rattles. So we'll give you a quick test here, see what you think. There you have it. Let me know what you think. I'm sure there'll be plenty of comments.